Hi, I'm Ray and this is Gardening Online. Today I'm having a look at my Petunia basket. Hasn't particularly done that well this year, but it's been okay. We've had some flowers, not amazing, but the weather's been very awkward. But today I'm trying to recycle it, trying to relieve it, and trying to get a few more flowers before the end of the season. Well, I've noticed some of the pods have been created for the seed pods, so I'm just going to show you this, and I'm going to show you how we can save some seeds for the petunias. So we're now in mid-August and we've still got some flowers, but the petunias have been creating long stalks, and I've been trying to recover the plant, and we've been cutting away some of the long stems to regrow the plants. But some of these are now going to seed, and if we look at this one, we can see it's turned brown, and we can save some seeds for the following year using these pods. So this is one of the seed heads we removed, and when we were deadheading the flowers we didn't deadhead this one, and now it's left and it's formed a seed head right in the middle. Now it's gone brown, there'll be some seeds inside that we can harvest, and it's a simple process. We've just chopped this off and we'll have a look inside and see if we've got any seeds. So this is our Petunia seed pod that we've taken off, and we can see it's all brown. So what we can do is just peel off the leaves, and that's the seed pod. And as we can see, already there are seeds popping out. So all we need to do is crunch this, just gently let, and we can see all the seed pods splitting and all the seeds are spreading, and there is absolutely loads of seeds just from this one pod. Look, how is that? And that's amazing. Cycle just in that one pod. There must be 1,000 or maybe more. So we can save these and we can grow these on for next year. Need to make a label. These were the lavender petunias, and we look forward to growing them again next year. So here we go. So I'm really looking forward to regrowing these again next year. So let me know, have you grown any petunias and have you saved any seeds? Let me know in the comments, that'd be wonderful. And check out the video of growing petunias from start to finish, and that'd be excellent. So thank you very much for now. I'm inside my shed. Cheers!